there, my wonderful 3 chemistry students. All right, so if you are noticing, you have clicked into the classroom Bitmoji. So if you notice, I've updated the color scheme a little bit. We are on week 5. Everything is blue for this week. So you scroll through. It says check in on Google Classroom. You're going to do that. The do now is going to post at the top of the stream around 8 a.m. on Monday morning. Okay? It says video review any missing measurement scientific method material. It's really just whatever you didn't do on CK12, please complete that. We are going to have a quiz either Wednesday or Friday, depending on what the schedule looks like on Wednesday. I think we might have a little bit of a civic engagement lesson. But otherwise, you'll definitely have the quiz Friday. Okay, so all you're doing today is a review Kahoot. Okay, all you have to do is click self-paced Kahoot. If they ask you for a pin, it's here. Okay, make sure that you are logging in under your regular name, Darius, because I can't give you credit if you accidentally put Vincent's name instead of yours. Okay, so that's all I want you guys to do today is to complete the Kahoot. Okay, and make sure that you let me know when you have completed the Kahoot, or if you click turn in after, I can't see until I log into Kahoot. As soon as I log into Kahoot, it will tell me, but it doesn't automatically generate the way the Google Classroom stuff does, like it usually does. So just shoot me a text, hey Miss Carosa, I did this, can you give me credit? Absolutely. Alright, and that's it, and I will see you guys on Tuesday.